Prashant, Section 3. Jai, back area. Have a good day everyone. Let us make every guest happy today. The idea of the briefing is to instruct the team about the important points and to discuss any issues or process change that needs to happen in the restaurant. In this video, I will tell you what all you must discuss in a team briefing. If you are a supervisor or manager in a restaurant, you will find this video on pre-meal briefing useful. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do that and click the bell icon to receive notification. These learning videos are made by clarifiedbetter.com and every video is a short lesson that can enhance your knowledge in under 3 minutes. Alright, briefing or team huddle must be carried out before every meal period. During this time, any communication that is important must be passed on to the team. Usually we must discuss any reservation and special preference of guest, any important guest visit, and previous day glitches. Briefing is also a time that you have the entire team together, and you can check the grooming standards of the team. Section allocation and duties must also be given to the team members during the briefing. This is also a good time to set goals for selling and upselling, and allocate the target. Write down whatever is discussed in the communication logbook, so that the next shift gets a proper handover. At the end of the shift, get the team back together, and discuss the highlights of the service. Like a football coach, my job is to ensure that I give feedback that can elevate the performance of the team. That is the importance of a briefing. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. If you do that, more people can view it and it may be helpful to someone looking to learn. On our channel we have more than 200 videos and tutorials covering all departments in the hotel. If you want to learn more, visit our website, clarifiedbetter.com, where we have certificate course as well that you can learn and get a certificate. You can get started for free, so do remember to check it out as well.